welcome back. It's Rachel here from RachandBellaCrafts. Hope you're all well. I am today doing the final video of the ephemera for our giveaway journal, and I want to look at, before we start, I want to look at these specimen cards that were with the kit. So in the kit they're shaped like this, with these white panels. So these white panels have foiled me a little bit because I wasn't quite sure what to do with them. So initially I was thinking, do I cut them out? Do I put something in there? And then I realised it was probably to write in. But I'm going to just do a couple of different things with them now, and obviously it's entirely open to your interpretation what you want to do with, what you would do with the specimen gaps. I was going to stencil, oh there they are, they're by the side of me, excellent. Because another option of course is you can use your letter stencils and label them with those as well. That's not my usual set, I don't know where they've come from. But the first thing I want to do, so I've gone on inking them and folding them because some of them are a bit different to others. So this one here, it was shaped like this. Well, actually it was shaped like that. So I've folded it in this way because I've decided I'm going to put two little flaps inside. I'm not going to stick them down in case they want to use the journaling space underneath, but I am going to just stitch in this little bit of copy paper because I think it's quite interesting, and then you'll be able to journal in on the other side. So I've literally, this is the piece of stamping I think I showed you in the first video when I was showing you all the bits and pieces I was getting ready, and I've just done a stamp on some coffee paper, but I think that looks quite cool in there, so we're going to go with that. I can get my needles through the paper. Okay, so I hope you're all well today. I'm filming this forward, so obviously I've just finished the one that you watched yesterday, so if I don't mention the weather that's because I already did, and I've probably spoken about most of the things I would have said to you, so I am going to just try and plough through some of this now. There we go. So we've just made a little notebook there now to go into the journal. I'm just going to try and, oh, let's use the bigger one. There we go. Trying to flatten him down a bit. We should have done that first, and then same that end. And like I say, I'm going to leave those. I mean, whoever has the journal, if they want to, they can stick them down and make little text spots out of them, but I just thought that was quite handy extra journaling space in there. And then again, you can concertina the page out, all sorts of options. And you can write on the back, because obviously I've stamped on the inside, so it looks like a little book, but it's actually got lots of journaling space in there. That makes sense. And then you can write on the front if you want to as well. So that's that one done. This is a teeny tiny one. Same thing, but very, very small. So I am with this one going to glue those edges there, and we're going to use that then to put some of the small journaling cards in. So obviously I just want to glue that edge there and that edge there. There's going to be too much glue on there, I can see that straight away. That's all right. My fingers are used to being gluey. There we go. And that one there. And that one there. Okay. Hope you're all having a nice weekend. I hope when you watch this, we've had the weather that we were forecast. Because that's always nice too, when they get it right, isn't it? There we go. So now in here we can then put some little journaling cards. So I think we'll pop that one in there. And I'm going to pop that one in there. Perhaps I'll pop it in that way. There we go. So some little writing spots in there. Now obviously you can embellish these if you want to. You can add a little bit of, tell you what, let's put a little bit of lace on the front, shall we? Just a little spot. And I'll just make it look a bit lively on it. There we go. Oh, my gluey fingers. There we are. So after that, now we've just made a little journaling book. And we're going to put some ephemera. I'll turn that one the other way. That's better. There you go. So you can hide little notes in there or whatever you want to. These ones then are just a simple fold. So they just fold those in half there. And again, then the same, fold that one in half there. And as I say, you can put anything you want in there. I'm not going to write on these because whoever wins the journal, they might want to put specific notes in there. So they're not going to want me writing on there, are they? And then just ink the edges. And then if they want to bulk those out then with extra coffee pages, they can. So I'm going to just pop those in as they are. And then this little one here, I thought, oh, I know what will go nicely in there. So I've got a little bit of, on the back page, the index page of the Edith Holden book, there's this long list and this beautiful handwriting of all these flowers. So I've just found one that says Angelica. So I'm going to stick that in there. And that'll finish that off quite nicely, I think. And that just about fits nice in there. Super duper. Okay, so if I just fold that one in again, and then we got another little journaling spot with this one. So I think we need to start putting the remainder of what we've made now into the journal, because I've got a lot on my desk and I'm looking at the size of that journal already thinking that's already quite full. Okay, I think that's everything embellished now. I'm just going to quickly tidy up my desk and then we are going to put everything in the journal. Okay, desk nice and tidy. Let's have a little look now and see how much of this stuff we can fit into the journal. Looking around my desk now at how much we've got made and how stuffed our journal already is, I'm questioning how much we're going to get in there, but we'll have a little look. So now that you've seen my process for filling my journals, our journal is pretty much done now. As you can see, she is very, very full, but that's just how I like them to be. So I will get a nice tie now to go around that. And oh my goodness, if she's going transatlantic, I may have to take the ephemera out and put that in an envelope just so that I can close the journal down. because there is a lot of stuff in here. But that's okay. That's great. Okay, so tomorrow will be the flip through, and we will draw and find out who's won our prizes. Thanks ever so much for watching, and hope you've had a good day. Take care, and I will see you very soon. Bye now.